This video is kind of going to suck. It's going to start sad, but I'm going to end it happy because I took happy video yesterday. Inadvertently. Something happened and it was cute and I got video. So we'll end it with that. But the beginning of this video is sad. Okay. There was a smell of death coming from the woods and I had kept looking under the wreckage thinking it has to be under there. There's a chipmunk. I kept looking under the wreckage thinking it must be under there. Well, I finally happened to come walking through the rest of the woods, not the whole rest of it, but over to here. And the reason, oh my God. No. Oh no. I've been finding these. I hope this had nothing to do with it. I hope this had nothing to do with it. I've been finding these for years back here. I'll unzoom it. They're metal. I hope this had nothing to do with it. I can't believe it was right there. I can't tell you how many times I comb the grounds constantly. So I'm thinking this may have been up in the tree. I don't know if this was part of the crime scene now. Well, I don't know if you call it a crime scene. A mother and her baby were right here, dead. Happened in the storm, I'm sure. And I'm thinking that what was happening, there is a place up there that squirrels live. A big hole that maybe shows here. And here's the cabin. And I think that the whole tree up there probably started twisting around as they were doing. And that she was probably coming down the tree to bring her baby to safety and got knocked off. Now, what I don't understand is this. Is this part of it? Is this somewhere on the tree and it came down and knocked her down? I don't understand how this can be here now. I guarantee you this was not here before. It's metal. It's hard. Listen. You know, you don't want to get hit in the head with that. So I don't know if she got hit with that by chance somehow as she was coming down with her baby, but she was laying on her back. It was horrible. The baby was over here. It was just, I found it yesterday and I don't know what more I can say, but this is interesting to me. What role did this play? This is not where she was. She was laying over here and clearly she landed hard. She was landed on her back and there was a stick under her and it was embedded. That stick was embedded into her back when I turned her over. And to me, I think this almost had to play a role because this was not here before and it isn't where she landed. She didn't land on it. It was kind of in between them. The baby was here. I don't know. Where do they keep coming from when I keep picking them up? Tupac has never needed me. She's always been independent. But she came out here today and was just looking at me like, can I have some seeds? She's never needed me. Just such an independent squirrel. This little chipmunk has decided he is her shadow. So I had nuts over, like I keep moving her from one side to the other to get away from the chipmunk. Anyway, yeah, we've been out here a while. Here she goes. She's gonna jump this. There she goes. Just disappears into there. I think they're really gonna start liking it in time. I think we're all going through like kind of a post-traumatic stress disorder on it right now. Maybe not this one. But yeah, I don't know where this guy was when it happened. So he might not be going through, he just might be having euphoria, like, wow, look what fell into my lap. I was like, where'd she go? And then I think I see a tail. You having a good time? You making lemonade, as they say? It's not Pippi, but it's someone unfamiliar with this part of the yard.